School of Engineering and Technology welcomes you all on the webinar on career options after 12th. This webinar will be very much helpful to all of you as we are exploring the wide range of opportunities that lie ahead for students after completing their 12th. To enlighten on the webinar, it's my great pleasure to introduce our esteemed speaker, Professor Vijay Navale, a renowned career counselor with more than 25 years of experience of guiding students toward meaningful academic and professional path. His work of researching and digital mapping 67,000 career paths was honored by the India Book of Records. He was invited on various TV channels for career guidance more than 60 times. His sessions are informative, motivating with interesting case studies, examples, and humorous touch. Apart from this, he works through TV shows, radio interviews, writing website books, careers, and other things. So get ready to explore your future with one of the most trusted voice of career counseling, Professor Vijay Navale. So please all of you welcome Professor Navale sir for this session. Welcome sir.
Thank you. Good morning. Am I audible now?
Yes sir.
What should be the language of communication? English or Marathi or Hindi?
You can go with the combination sir.
Yes, okay. So very good morning all the students, and if parents they are present. Today's topic is careers after 12th standard. Now, I have received some questions from students' end when the banner of advertisement was displayed, I think, by Pimpri University. I received some questions, and I will go by that so that there will be more information and factual content that is required by the students will be available from this seminar. So first question I received is which are the careers after 12th standard? So I will just enumerate which are the careers, and maybe you will be surprised that few careers you might not be knowing or you might not be have thought of that. So engineering, medical, pharmacy, architecture, hotel management, then hospitality industry, Bachelor of Business Administration, like careers where there is inclusion of administrative or management kind of things. Then career like design. So the students who are having good in they have good sketching skills, creativity, imagination, and visualization. These students can go for two examinations or maybe two kinds of courses. One is a design course, Bachelor of Design, and in that there are so many specializations. That is, it is into leather design, then interior and furniture, maybe into cosmetics, into product design. So lot many opportunities are there in design, but you must be having background of good sketching abilities. So after this design, we can have again opportunities for the similar kind of students in fashion technology also. Many times students after science also think of psychology. Nowadays, the important careers, psychology is included into that. So you may go for clinical psychology like course. So these are the options where we can bifurcate in science, commerce, arts also. In science, majorly people are interested into engineering, and in engineering there are again lot many specializations and branches like computer, IT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science. Then you have ENTC, industrial electronics, plane electronics, instrumentation engineering. Some students they also seek of mechatronics, because mechatronics it is combination of mechanical and electronics, and nowadays it is required for those who are interested in core branch as well as leading branch. So that option is available. Robotics and automation is also one of the sort of career by the new generation students. The core industries, that is mechanical, electrical, civil, these are also available, and I think no branch is having less importance or no branch is having more dignity, and that every branch is important, every sector is important. Like that, engineering is one of the option after 12th science. Then as I said that after PCM CET, MST CET, You are also you can also go for pharmacy education, pharmacy, specifically B pharmacy. And nowadays few students, they are interested into PharmD, which is a doctoral program in pharmacy. It is integrated course, and it is almost equal to PhD course in pharmacy. So research and many IPR, like intellectual property rights, opportunities are available in pharmacy field. Some students having good again sketching skill, as well as having some mathematical touch, they can go for architecture as a good career, bachelor of architecture. In today's era, we see many construction activities are happening, and it is not like that the 2 decades before, when architecture was used only for few purposes. But nowadays, because of the government norms and rules, architecture is being utilized for even a simple construction activity. Also, interior design and landscape design, these are the activities which can be commercially viable for the architecture aspirants, and I mean architectures, those who are freshers. So they can have their own firm also. We may think of careers as per our the larger goal. After 12th standard, which career should be selected. So our intention can be like, are we going for a good package job, that is good salary job. I have defined this as a high salary job. These are available into engineering, these are available into software, also available into management fields. So are you going for these areas, that is this area, that is for a high salary package job, which is available from campus placement? Second opportunity, larger goal is, are you interested to become government officer? So accordingly, you can select your career right from 12th standard. You may think of engineering or pharmacy like traditional course in professional world, or you may go for the pseudo traditional course, which is available in the way of commerce or arts. Because our thinking is like, in 5 years, next 5 years or 6 years, we should appear for UPSC examination or MPSC examination. So what is your intention? So after 12th standard, your selection can be like on these points. uh, you may have the another option of defense services. I know that few students, they appear for NDA examination after 12th standard, and those who are not successful in this attempt, they may go for the next attempt after taking admission to any graduation course. Similarly, after engineering, you can have university entry scheme, then combined defense services opportunity, AFCAT opportunity is also there for Air Force. Few days back, there was skirmishes and war-like situation between India and Pakistan. Many of the students, they can think that, okay, I will be a part of this nation building, as well as I have good patriotism. I'm seeking for Air Force. Then apart from NDA, you can go for Air Force by another way also. There are two ways. One is AFCAT examination, which is directly for Air Force, and second examination is by CDS, Combined Defense Services. And fortunately, those students who go by engineering course, they have more opportunities and more possibilities for Air Force. So are you interested to become defense personnel? This is the question. Then one more question is, are you interested to become businessman after a few years? So your long-term goal is businessman. So accordingly, you can select the engineering branch, or maybe BBA like course, or maybe another graduation course. I will tell those who are interested into business, they may think of that they will go for business after having education. I mean, if the student completes architecture, then and then only he can have architectural business into that field. If the student completes mechanical engineering, then that student can start his or her own factory or industry, which is catering the needs of medium scale industries, and the industry may grow after few years. So if you are interested into business, what should be the graduation course? Can it be pharmacy? Can it be any other plain science? Can it be only BCS or MCA like course? So this can be your choice. For example, if you are interested to start a small scale business having less investment, then again computer will be better option, because the overall investment in the starting period, it is just the your good quality PC and the original software. Apart from that, if you go for mechanical engineering or electrical engineering, the investment could be more. If it is a chemical engineering, the investment will be again larger one. So as per the family background, you may have thinking on this. So are you going to become businessman to sector as a bureaucrat officer, like UPSC examination or MPSC examination? Accordingly, 12th standard, after 12th standard, course can be sort of. I mean, some students may think that there should be plan B. So plan A is UPSC examination, and plan B is the another opportunity available through the graduation. मतलब अगर मेरा यूपीएससी का काम नहीं होता है, तो मुझे एटलीस्ट कोई जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी हाथ में चाहिए. सो एज पर दैट, few students think of engineering or pharmacy or computer science, maybe architecture also. Few students think of medical also, because good opportunities available with them. And if UPSC or MPSC is not in their hands, then they can go for the original opportunity because of their graduation. Some students, they think that I will go for a very plain kind of graduation, because in that plain kind of graduation I will get more time for UPSC MPSC studies, and then I will go for only plan A. But my dear friends, if we think that 14 lakh students appear for UPSC examination, and you might have seen that this year's number is around 1000, the total selectee. So if after out of 14 lakhs, if I am not in 1000, then there should be plan B. Some students, they think of plan B, and some students, they can directly go for only plan A. So according to that, your 12th standard selection could be there. If you are having some skill, then as per the skill also, our choice can differ. If you are having good decision making, good teamwork, leadership qualities, and communication skills, you may directly go for BBA, and after that you can have MBA like qualification from good institute, and then the campus placement, and maybe your the tertiary goal, like maybe it may be businessman or to become a corporate manager. Accordingly, I'm telling you that you want to become a researcher, then ICER aptitude test is there. You can complete engineering also. After engineering, master's complete course, and then doctoral course, then you can go into research activity also. If you some of you are not lucky to go into IIT after 12th standard for BTech course, then my suggestion to you is, even after 12th, even after graduation, you can go to IITs after giving GATE examination. Accordingly, you have to select 12th standard course after 12th standard course, which is a graduation course. And my concluding line for this question is, all courses are good, all branches are good. Only the question is, what is our performance? सगळ्या क्षेत्रांना स्कोप आहे, फक्त त्या क्षेत्रामध्ये मला स्कोप आहे का, हा सगळ्यात महत्वाचा मुद्दा आहे. मी कोण होणार यापेक्षा मी काय करणार याला जास्त किंमत आहे. आणि सगळ्यात महत्वाची गोष्ट म्हणजे, मला काय मिळणार यापेक्षा मी काय देणार, ही सगळ्यात महत्वाची गोष्ट आहे. मगाशी मी काउन्सिलिंगचा उल्लेख केला, सायकोलॉजीचा उल्लेख केला. आज अशी क्षेत्र नवीन येत आहेत, इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट सारखं क्षेत्र आहे. त्याच्यानंतर ज्या क्षेत्रांमध्ये आता डिझाईन सारखा अप्रोच, म्हणजे प्रॉडक्ट डिझाईनचा मी उच्चार केला. प्रॉडक्ट डिझाईन सगळ्या प्रॉडक्ट्समध्ये, सगळ्या पेरिफेरीज मध्ये काम करताना दिसतंय, जे पहिल्यांदा नव्हतं. आणि AI, ML, DS, चॅट जीपीटी, यू नो दॅट द सेक्टर इज मुव्हिंग अहेड. इव्हन ॲग्रो बिझनेस हा सुद्धा खूप महत्वाचा इश्यू आहे. सध्या मी दूरदर्शन चॅनेलवर आय एम कंडक्टिंग इंटरव्ह्यूज ऑफ ॲग्रिकल्चर सायंटिस्ट ऑन दूरदर्शन. I am getting good information from that. There is again a good scope in post agriculture like businesses, processing in agriculture. You may have management course in agriculture also after that. Even biotechnology or microbiology, these are also options. Students having biology background, they can also seek these options. Even journalism and mass communication. After my engineering, I completed my Bachelor of Journalism and Master of Arts. So surprisingly, you may choose the career accordingly. So the first question to me was, as per the title, this was the title question, which are the careers they are there after 12th standard. So I will switch to the second question that I received from online May. Second question is very, very important for you. The question is, how artificial intelligence will create problems or the opportunities to this generation students who will be freshers after 4 or 5 years or 3 years. तो उनके लिए क्या होगा, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस क्या उससे क्या प्रॉब्लम होगा या कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटीज बढ़ेंगी. So my dear friends, I just give insight into this topic. In 1980s there was again a issue, and that issue was not of AI, but that issue was of entrance of computer in the science and technology, in the field, in the society. कंप्यूटर वहां पे आ रहा था, और उस वक्त क्या रिएक्शन थी सोसाइटी की. इन इंडिया आई रिमेंबर, आई वाज ओनली 4 or 5 years old, but I remember that those days, or maybe after that also, it was 3 to 4 years agitations were there. Stop computers, then protect your jobs. म्हणजे बेरोजगारी वाढेल असं लोकांना वाटलं होतं. If there is computer, then there will be lack of jobs and unemployment will be created. This was the scenario in 80s. My dear friends, what happened? Jobs increased or decreased? The answer is jobs increased because of computer. The similar, there was an insurgence of internet and the new technologies in computer. So that was a change. It was a revolution. Because of internet, there will be problem to the system. There will be again loss of jobs. This was the conclusion of many experts. But what happened after 98? We seen that the work increased. It increased in lot many sectors. Beneficiaries increased, sectors were added, and jobs were increased. Because of that, there was a great development in the whole world as well as in India also. The similarly, in the same way, because of mobile and that, after 2004 or 5, there was question in front of people and in front of economists also, that jobs will be in problem. There was no problem to jobs. Okay. Similarly, artificial intelligence is one kind of technology. एक तरीके की एक नई तंत्रज्ञान है, तकनीकी पार्ट है. आफ्टर फ्यू इयर्स देयर विल बी a different word. ओके, एआई से क्या होने वाला है, कुछ जॉब जाने वाले हैं. दैट इज ट्रू. You can see that because of mobile banking, online banking, the the people who were there on the bank counter, if they were 8 in number, now we see there are only 5 people working. 3 people, they left their job. They could not survive in that, because clerical jobs, then data entry jobs, they are not there because of artificial intelligence. Even typing kind of job, it is not there because of the softwares available for us. Basic kind of writing, basic kind of creativity has lost. In banking sector, apart from leaving, that is the few people from counter, they lost their jobs. But what we see, online banking has increased, and we can see the vibrations of that on our mobile also. In spite of not demanding any loan, we are getting calls from banks. So many people are working backstage of bank, working in technology, working in banking domain, helping to these online services. Jobs are not reduced, jobs increased. The similarly, agriculture field also, AI will be there. So giving water to your crops, it was the normal duty that drip irrigation will be used, and it is a thumb rule, the water will be given to the crops. But nowadays, because of artificial intelligence, which crop is having more moisture will be given less water, the crop having less moisture will be given more water. This is possible because of artificial intelligence. Now, because of AI, the agriculture field, which was not included into the development because of computer, now it is being included, and more beneficiaries will be added, so the technicians required will be increased. The same thing will happen, I am sure. I'm not I cannot say that this will be 100% true, but over and above, jobs will be reduced and there will be serious problem to economy. This is not the case. Technology is going to increase. As I said, that robotics and automation, there is great career scope. So man will become robot and robot will become man. At up to this end, technology has to go. And because of that, there is no problem to any technology. Artificial intelligence rather will give boosting dose to our careers. So don't be afraid of this. Even in that particular area, I will mention few things related to computer science. In the next question, I have to cover it. The next question is, which are the engineering branches? Of course, my dear friends, if there is anybody from commerce or arts, I will help to that student also. My name is Professor Vijay Navale, and I can be reached at on my YouTube channel. The channel name is Career Vijay. So you may go for that, and in description or maybe the organizers may give my mobile number. If you have any problem, I give telephonic free guidance to all the students of Maharashtra. So career guidance is important because of decision making. If your parents are thinking of different and you people are thinking different, my suggestion to you is at least listen to your parents. They don't know some careers, but they have good experience. Even they have good experience of about you also. तुम्हाला काय येतंय आणि काय येत नाही हे सगळ्यात महत्वाची गोष्ट तुमच्या पालकांना माहिती आहे. आणि म्हणून पालकांना करिअर मधल्या काही तारखा माहिती नसतील, शेड्यूल्स माहिती नसतील, पण ते तुम्हाला चांगले ओळखतात. त्यामुळे डिसिजन मेकिंग मध्ये तुम्ही काउन्सिलरचं ऐका, पण त्याच्या आधी पालकांचं ऐका, पेरेंट्सचं ऐका. व्हॉट आर द इंजिनिअरिंग ब्रांचेस, असा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे. दिस इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू मी. As I said earlier, that mechanical, civil, electrical, these are the core branches. Electronics, ENTC, instrumentation, mechatronics, these are the applied branches from these basic branches or core branches. आणि सध्याच्या काळातली जी भावकी फार जोरात चालू आहे, ती भावकी म्हणजे कम्प्युटर सायन्स, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स, मशीन लर्निंग, डेटा सायन्स अँड मेनी अदर. नाउ as per my knowledge, all these are same. CS is equal to IT is equal to AI is equal to ML is equal to DS, असं मला वाटतंय. यू कॅन सी द सिलेबस ऑफ द कॉलेजेस, बट मला असं वाटतं की कॉम्प्युटर सायन्सच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना AI शिकवणारच आहेत. AIच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना सुद्धा C++, VB, जावा शिकवणारच आहेत. सो कम्प्युटरचे विद्यार्थी सुद्धा पायथन शिकणार आहे. मला असं वाटतं की ऑल दीज आर द ऑन द सेम प्लॅटफॉर्म. हे तर सिद्धच झालं की कम्प्युटर इज इक्वल टू IT. At the time of campus placement, there is always note by the company that students from computer oblique IT oblique ENTC will be selected. काही ठिकाणी ENTC असतं, काही ठिकाणी नसतं. So these are the engineering branches. Again, my view is, as per your final goal, you should decide what should be the engineering branch. Everybody should not say that I like computer. Everybody cannot say. Okay, even there is good career in mechanical. Mechanical starting salary is low, but you have a larger career opportunity in mechanical industries. If you are interested to go for UPSC examination, you may go by mechanical. A mechanical or civil, it is a macro knowledge. Electronics is micro knowledge. V is equal to IR असा ओहमचा फॉर्म्युला जर लक्षात ठेवताना जर तुम्ही सर्किट होत असताल, तर सर्किट डायग्राम वाला ENTC तुम्हाला चालेल का, एवढा विचार करा. तुमचं उत्तर जर असेल की आय हॅव इंटरेस्ट इन टू इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट्स, देन यू मे गो फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, ENTC और इलेक्ट्रिकल, नो प्रॉब्लेम. पण आपल्याला काय करायचंय, माझं करिअरचं गोल काय आहे, मला ऍक्च्युअली म्हणजे माझं नेहमीचं भाषण तर माय नेशन माय करिअर असं असतं. मी देशासाठी काय करू शकतो, मी समाजासाठी काय करू शकतो, कारण याच्यातून ग्रेट करिअर तयार होतं, याच्यातून पैसा सुद्धा मिळतो. फक्त मी आणि माझा पगार आणि 3.5 का 6 लाख का 12 लाख एवढा बारीक विचार करू नका. मी त्याच्यामध्ये एन्जॉय करू शकणार आहे का, त्यामुळे कोणती ब्रांच मला उपयोगाची आहे हे तुम्ही जरा वर्क प्रोफाईल पहा. सिव्हिलमध्ये तुम्हाला फील्ड वर्क करायला लागेल. तुम्हाला बसून काम करायचंय का फिरून काम करायचंय, यू फाइंड इट आउट. ओके, आर यू इंटरेस्टेड टू वर्क विथ PC or you are interested to work with people, you find it out. Are you good in communication or not good in communication? Accordingly your branch will change. So I think engineering branches all are good, but सध्या कम्प्युटरचा जमाना आहे. कम्प्युटर संपेल का असा प्रश्न काही लोक विचारतात. मला असं वाटतं की हाच प्रश्न वेन आय वॉज इन 12th स्टँडर्ड द सेम क्वेश्चन वॉज देअर, कम्प्युटरचा फुगा फुटेल, नाही फुटला, वाढत गेला. बट आय एम शुअर दॅट ज्याला इंटरेस्ट नाहीये तो जर कम्प्युटरमध्ये आला तर त्याची अडचण होऊ शकते. ज्याला असं वाटतं की मला हे क्षेत्र करायचंय, आवड असो अथवा नसो, आवड निर्माण करता येईल आणि असेल आवड तर त्या क्षेत्रामध्ये आपल्याला जाता येऊ शकेल. Now the next question is from arts and humanities. Whether there will be good career for psychology? Definitely there is good career for psychology. Now people are thinking about to become robot and using robot in their daily life. Because of over mechanization and over digitization, it is possible that people will not think about their brain, their heart, their mind. मनाचा विचार कमी होणार आहे. मला तर कधी कधी असं वाटतं की एव्हरी पर्सन इज सायको. आय फील बिकॉज or people are also thinking that this person is psycho. Everybody is having to and fro kind of constraints, kind of thought processes. Everybody is feeling that I am great. Okay, you are not great. Because of that, boss and subordinates, there are problems. Parents and students, there are issues. Then mother-in-law and sister-in-law, there are problems. Workers and the businessman, there are problems. Politicians, they have many problems. So psychology is going to help these people to solve their problems, to their mentality. Now, as a career counselor, I feel that this psychology is really helping me. After engineering also, I am running my career counseling center. I conduct seminars and write books, and I have a YouTube channel. I feel that because of this psychology and counseling nature of mine, I'm having a good career, great career, to talk with people, to solve their problems, to give them motivation. If anybody is interested into this field, I will suggest that psychology you may choose of. And BA psychology is one option. BSc psychology is another option. One more option, which is a bigger option. I mean, nobody from this group will go for that, but that is MBBS and becoming psychiatrist. So that is also the opportunity. So now I will switch to the next option. That is, who should go for engineering and who should go for BBA. As I said, the person who is interested to get 100% success, even though percentage is less, that student can go for engineering, no problem. The person who wants to do some innovation and invention, want to do business, that student also can go for engineering. Okay, so right from the normal student, average student, to the talented student, to the below average student, engineering is the way. गाडीमध्ये बसलो आपण आणि नाशिकचं तिकीट काढलंय आणि गाडीत झोपलो तरी आपण नाशिकला पोहोचणार आहे. त्याच पद्धतीने इंजिनिअरिंग आपल्याला पूछ करायची गरज नाहीये. 4 वर्षांचे बीटेक बी आपण सहजपणे पूर्ण करू शकतो. पण फार झोपून चालणार नाही. नाशिक नंतर आपल्याला पुढे जावं लागेल. थोडासा अलर्टनेस असेल, थोडेसे मेहनत असेल, इंजिनिअरिंग त्याच्यात सक्सेस देतं. सुरुवातीला कदाचित स्ट्रगल होईल, परंतु मोठं करिअर मिळू शकतं. टेक्नॉलॉजीला मरण नाहीये. टेक्नॉलॉजी कायमस्वरूपी चालेल. इंजिनिअरिंगचा ऑप्शन. पण बीबीए कोणी करायचंय? परत I will say that the person who is not interested in engineering, the student not interested in mathematics, the student interested in people management, leadership, team skills, then to want to do something in business. Okay, the business not related to engineering but any other business, like having export import also, the student can go for BBA option. BBA plus MBA is the good qualification. And don't go for BBA only to avoid studies. You go there to explore your skills. This will be helpful and you can go into management sector. Again, one question is engineering or BSc. So this is one more popular question. In 3 days back, I was on television channel where there was the same question repeatedly asked by many students. BSc or engineering? I will define your problem. In engineering, there will be a requirement of 4 years, 12 plus 4. It is 16 years of education. But in case of BSc or BCS, if the education course is of 3 years, okay, if it is not honorary degree, honors degree, then 12 plus 3. But BSc or BCS is not a maturity education. People from organizations for higher salaries, they expect again one more degree in that, either MCS or MCA. So again 2 years, or at some places 3 years, it will increase. So 3 plus 3, 6, or 3 plus 2, 5. Compared to that, engineering 4 years. So it gives you clear cut structural idea that engineering will be better to BSc or BCS. Those who are not satisfying the eligibility criteria for engineering, that is 135 marks or 120 marks for category students, 135 मार्क लागतील ओपनला, 120 मार्क लागतील कॅटेगरीसाठी. जर ते होत नसतील तर मात्र मग बीएससी किंवा बीसीएसच्या माध्यमातून तुम्ही कम्प्युटर सायन्स आयटी करू शकता आणि मग मास्टर्स करू शकता. त्याच्यानंतर तुम्ही मेन फ्लो मध्ये येऊ शकता. सो अगेन दिस वॉज वन मोर क्वेश्चन टू मी. अगेन पॉप्युलर क्वेश्चन, दॅट इज मॅथमॅटिक्स. मॅथमॅटिक्स आवडत असेल तर कोणतं करिअर, आणि मॅथमॅटिक्स आवडत नसेल तर कोणतं करिअर? मॅथमॅटिक्स आवडत असेल तर अर्थातच सगळ्यात पहिलं करिअर येतं ते म्हणजे रिसर्च मधलं करिअर. रिसर्च मध्ये जाण्यासाठीचा एक ऑप्शन आयसर असतो, त्याचबरोबर दुसरा ऑप्शन इंजिनिअरिंग सुद्धा असतो. इंजिनिअरिंग मध्ये IIT ऑप्शन असतो, त्याचबरोबर नॉर्मल इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेज सुद्धा असतं, नॉर्मल प्रायव्हेट युनिव्हर्सिटी सुद्धा ते असू शकतं. त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्यात मास्टर्स करायला लागेल आणि मग डॉक्टरेट करायला लागेल. इंजिनिअरिंग केल्यानंतर कंपनीत काम करताना सुद्धा जर तुम्ही R&D डिपार्टमेंटला काम करणार असताल तर तिथं तुम्ही बाय डिफॉल्ट रिसर्च मध्ये काम करत असता. सो अशा एक 2-3 अपॉर्च्युनिटी आहेत ज्याच्यात मॅथमॅटिक्स चांगलं असेल. दुसरी एक संधी आहे ती म्हणजे तुम्ही BSc MSc मॅथमॅटिक्स करू शकता, स्टॅटिस्टिक्स करू शकता, अँड आफ्टर दॅट you have to do doctorate PhD because this education will not stop in between BSc MSc PhD. हे त्याचं मिनिमम एज्युकेशन झालं. या केसमध्ये तुम्ही परत IT इंडस्ट्रीत काम करू शकता, अल्गोरिदम मध्येच काम करू शकता, रिसर्च मध्ये काम करू शकता, और यू मे बिकम प्रोफेसर ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज फॉर द स्टुडंट्स हू लव्ह मॅथमॅटिक्स. मॅथमॅटिक्स मध्ये चांगलं गती असेल तर आपण जसं इंजिनियर होऊ शकतो. सिमिलरली वी कॅन गो इन टू अकाउंटिंग पर्पज ऑल्सो. ओके, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटंटला सुद्धा मॅथमॅटिक्स हे अपेक्षित असतं. सो यू मे गो इन टू दॅट. देन MBA फायनान्स इज ऑल्सो वन मोर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी वेअर यू कॅन यूज युअर मॅथमॅटिकल स्किल्स. मॅथ्स चांगलं असेल तर डिफेन्सच्या सुद्धा परीक्षा आपल्याला सोप्या जातात, कारण NDA मध्ये आपण पाहिलं की तिथं मॅथमॅटिक्सचा पेपर आहे. मॅथमॅटिक्स सोपं असल्यामुळे डिसिजन मेकिंग पक्क होतं, पर्सनॅलिटी ग्रो होते आणि आपण बिझनेस सुद्धा चांगला करू शकतो. सो दिस इज द यूज ऑफ मॅथमॅटिक्स. डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ मॅथ्स. बट इन केस जर तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की मला मॅथ्स कच्चं जातं आणि प्रूफ आहे मॅथमॅटिक्स मध्ये एवढे मार्क पडलेत, कमीच मार्क पडलेत, सो आता दुसऱ्या कोणी सांगायची गरज नाही की मॅथ्स कच्चं आहे का नाही. इन दॅट केस व्हॉट कॅन वी डू? इंजिनिअरिंगला मॅथ्स खूप अडचणीचं आहे असं काही लोक बोलतात. मला असं वाटतं की सध्या ती परिस्थिती नाही. इन स्पाइट ऑफ नॉट गुड परफॉर्मन्स इन मॅथ्स यू कॅन गो फॉर इंजिनिअरिंग. ओके, करू शकता तुम्ही. पहिले 1.5-2 वर्षच, फक्त 1.5 वर्ष त्रास आहे, नंतर नाहीये. रिसर्च मध्ये गेला तरच मॅथ्स आहे, अदरवाईज बाकी मग तुम्ही सिव्हिल मध्ये गेला तर तुमचं बाकीची कामं ही फील्ड वर्क वरती चालतात. केमिकल मध्ये गेलात तर ती कामं केमिस्ट्रीची कामं असतात. मेकॅनिकल मध्ये गेलात तर मशिनिंगची कामं असतात, डिझाईनची कामं असतात. मॅथमॅटिक्स जरासं नंतर कमी येतं. ठीक आहे, तरी सुद्धा जर तुम्हाला वाटलं की नको इंजिनिअरिंग, इन दॅट केस यू कॅन हॅव द करियर्स अदर दॅन mathematics. Some students go for humanity sciences also. Some students think of examinations like UPSC, MPSC. In banking examination, there some kind of mathematics is required. Careers where history, geography, economics, some part is maths. Very little part of maths is required in economics. Otherwise, history, geography, humanities, there is no question of mathematics. You may switch over to skill-oriented careers, like as I said, that fashion technology. So no inclusion of mathematics in that. If you go for agriculture, then there is no mathematics in that particular course. I think these are the few careers. Later on, you may contact me if you are interested to know more information. As Madam in introduction told that I have made one Guinness World Record, India Book of Records, and noted it. And you can see on careerseva.com that 67,000 career tracks they are available. So you may have additional information if you are interested. So to conclude, after these few questions, because online session should not be of more duration, I was about to, I have to give some insight into few career decision or selections. Now the rest of the things I will conclude in, I will cover in conclusion. Selection of career in 12th standard should be based on your short-term goal and long-term goal both. First, there should be liking. Second, there should be checking of ability. If you are not interested in computers, then don't go for it. If you know it, if you confirm it, आपको अगर 12th स्टैंडर्ड में कंप्यूटर साइंस था और वो आपको पसंद नहीं आया था, तो आप दूसरी ब्रांच का मतलब वो सोच सकते हो कि ये हम इधर जा सकते हैं. After that, there is a question of eligibility. If you go for a good graduation course and you are interested for campus placement, तो आपको अभी कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, एडमिशन हो जाएगा आपका. लेकिन उसके बाद जो कोर्स है ना, वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो वहां पे जो CGPA आता है, वो मोर देन 9 पॉइंटर और 9.5, अगर ऐसा है तो आपको कैंपस प्लेसमेंट की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी. सो थिंक ऑफ the eligibility. If you are going for defense examination or GRE examination after your completion of course, or maybe CAT examination for MBA, or UPSC examination or any other examination which is required for entrance exam, which is required for entry into post graduation course, my dear friends, start the preparation right from your second year. So after first year, in second year, you understand what the core competency of that field and matching of yours into that field. If it is not happening, then you may think of starting separate study along with your graduation study. म्हणजे इंजिनिअरिंग करता करता तुम्ही जीआरईचा अभ्यास करू शकता, करावा. इंजिनिअरिंग करता करता जर तुम्हाला वाटलं IAS अधिकारी व्हायचंय तर UPSCचा अभ्यास सेकंड इयरच्या शेवटानंतर चालू करा. म्हणजे तुम्हाला 2 वर्ष मिळतील आणि मग तो करिअरचा निर्णय आपला बरोबर येऊ शकतो. सो थिंक ऑफ लाइकिंग, एलिजिबिलिटी अँड कॅपॅसिटी, दॅट इज द ॲबिलिटीज. Some questions like is there scope for this particular sector? My again common answer, that is natural answer, universal answer is scope is not for the field. Scope is for you if you go into that field. सचिन तेंडुलकरला क्रिकेटमध्ये स्कोप होता, क्रिकेटला नुसता स्कोप असेल तर मग आपल्याला का नाही मिळाला स्कोप तो? लता मंगेशकरांना गाण्यामध्ये स्कोप होता, लता मंगेशकरांनी ते गाणं गायलं. काल माझं नशीब चांगलं, काल मी उषा मंगेशकर आणि हृदयनाथ मंगेशकर यांना स्वतः भेटलो. लता मंगेशकरांच्या आठवणी त्यांनी सांगितल्या. गायनामध्ये त्या गेल्या म्हणून आपण जर गेलो तर चालणार आहे का? त्यांना गळा होता, आपल्याला नरडं असेल तर आपल्याला जमणार आहे का? आपल्याला ॲबिलिटीज पण चेक करायला लागते. आपली आई काय म्हणते, वडील काय म्हणतात. आपण म्हणतोय पायलट व्हायचं, आईला माहिती आहे की गल्लीत सायकल चालवतो 4 वेळा पडतोय. सो सिमिलरली अनेक प्रकारच्या मुद्द्यांवर आई वडिलांशी डिस्कस करा, सगळ्या गोष्टी पहा. या 15 दिवसात 10-15 दिवसामध्ये ऍडमिशन प्रोसेस कशी आहे ती समजावून घ्या. फाइंड आउट व्हेरियस अपॉर्च्युनिटीज ऑल्सो. वाचन करा, युट्यूबला पहा, ChatGPTला विचारा. कॉमर्स मधले अपॉर्च्युनिटी सुद्धा सर्च करू शकता. आणि हे सगळं करताना परदेशात मला जाता येऊ शकेल का? 12वी नंतर सॅटची परीक्षा आहे, ग्रॅज्युएशन नंतर GRE किंवा मॅनेजमेंटला जायचं असतं तर GMATची परीक्षा आहे. या सगळ्यांमध्ये टोफेल सारखी परीक्षा, काही फॉरेन लँग्वेजेसच्या काही स्टेजेस पूर्ण केल्या पाहिजेत का? तो या सगळ्या गोष्टींचा विचार आपण करू शकता. आणि मला असं वाटतं की 12th स्टँडर्ड एक नंतरचा जो चौक आहे, या चौकातून आपण एका चांगल्या हमर रस्त्याला किंवा एक्सप्रेस वेला लागू शकतो. मनामध्ये विश्वास ठेवा. इफ यू हॅव लेस पर्सेंटेज इन 12th स्टँडर्ड, डोंट बी इन इन्फिरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स. थिंक ऑफ युअर्स. प्रॉपर टाइम मॅनेजमेंट करा. कालच मी एका विद्यार्थ्याचं 12वी नंतर पुढे काय याचं टाइम मॅनेजमेंट त्याचं करून दिलं. त्याचा आर्किटेक्चर करायचंय का, त्याचा दुसरा ऑप्शन होता की चार्टर्ड अकाउंटन्सी करायचंय. दोन्ही फील्डमध्ये तो इंटरेस्टेड होता, चांगले पर्सेंटेज होते. नंतर आम्ही 2-2.5 तास चर्चेनंतर फाइंड आउट केलं की याला आर्किटेक्चरपेक्षा चार्टर्ड अकाउंटन्सी जमणार आहे. आणि मग त्याला मी जवळजवळ 1 तासभर बसून त्याचा डेली दिवसाचा क्रम कसा असला पाहिजे, काय काय ऍक्टिव्हिटी करायच्या आहेत, काय काय टाइम वेस्टर्सला कंट्रोल करायचं आम्ही फाइंड आउट केलं. कारण करिअरचा निर्णय नुसता महत्वाचा नाहीये, हाऊ यू विल कॅच इट, हे कसं साध्य करताल यासाठीचं टाइम टेबल सुद्धा खूप महत्वाचं आहे. ऍडमिशन तर काय साधी गोष्ट आहे. मला असं वाटतं की दॅट इज नॉट इश्यू. करिअर काउन्सिलिंग करताना मला असं वाटतं की ऍडमिशन इज नॉट द इम्पॉर्टंट इश्यू. इम्पॉर्टंट इश्यू इज हाऊ यू फेस दॅट कोर्स. तो कोर्स कसा करतायत ते जास्त महत्वाचं आहे. नाहीतर कम्प्युटरला जाताल आणि 6 वर्षामध्ये कोर्स जर पूर्ण केला तर कम्प्युटर इंडस्ट्री तुम्हाला ऍक्सेप्ट करेल का, हा प्रश्न विचारला लागेल. जर ते जमणारच नसेल तर जायचं का नाही. याच्यातलं उत्तर असं पण येऊ शकतं की मी फेसबुक सारखी स्वतःची कंपनी चालू करणार आहे आणि मग त्यासाठी मला काम करायचंय. जा ना बाबा, कर ना, मग कम्प्युटर सायन्स कर, IT कर, AI कर, नो प्रॉब्लेम. सो सी युअर इंटरेस्ट. आणि खूप मेहनत करायला लागेल. लॉट ऑफ वर्क इज रिक्वायर्ड. सचिन तेंडुलकर शेवटच्या दिवसापर्यंत प्रॅक्टिस करत होता, शेवटच्या दिवसापर्यंत इम्प्रूव्ह करत होता स्वतःला. फक्त 12वी म्हणजे सगळं नाहीये. सो आय थिंक ऑल माय बेस्ट विशेस टू यू फॉर सिलेक्टिंग युअर प्रॉपर कोर्स as well as preparing for that course. I will be available for your guidance if you follow me on Career Vijay YouTube channel, or you may search Vijay Navale. You will get information. Also, the organizers, these are great organizers, good college. They have good performance since last 2 or 3 decades. I think a very promising name they have, and because of this, this is the reputed and branded institute or university. So thanks to organizers for calling all the students and calling me also for my session. I am really thankful to the organizers for such kind of organization of career guidance seminar. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir, for this wonderful session. And there is one short question in the webinar chat.
Okay.
So the question is, if I want to become a business analyst or project manager in future, what career path should I follow after 12th science?
Very good. One option for you, my dear friend, is 10 plus 12. अभी हो गया आपका 12th science. Then after 12th science, you can go for engineering, and then you can go for MBA finance. Okay. So 12th standard engineering, then MBA finance from good institute or good university, and then you can go into financial analyst. Number one. Two option is, even though you have science, you can switch over to commerce also. So after 12th science, you can go for BCom. After BCom, you can go for chartered financial analyst, CFA. And after that, you can handle your the portfolios of the big organizations. You can go into the financial management. If you want to go into business analytics, then after 12th standard science, you can go for any graduation course, including engineering or BBA. Then you can go for MBA, and in MBA you may have any branch including finance, like marketing or international business or business development. And after that, having good experience in the corporate company, you can become the business analyst. Even one kind of analytics, business analytics is the specialization available into MBA course, so you may think of that course also. Few times some computer connect is also there, that is analytics is the science where you can study and you can have knowledge of that. So using computer also, you can think of business analytics as a career. In that case, computer engineering plus MBA finance or MBA systems will be the answer, will be the solution for that. Few years of job, it may be 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, not more than that. And after that, go into for start have your own startup. Then after that, you can have business analytics or business management or financial management as your core competency. Then start your own startup or scale up it as an organization. You may have your own freelance activity on that. Initially you can have part-time, but then you can have the full-time activity in business analytics. So these are the career opportunities. 2 3 more are also there, which considers combo career. Combo career means, as I said, that is computer engineering plus MBA finance or computer engineering plus MBA systems. So these combo careers will be helpful to you as you are analyzing the business. So this is the answer for your career paths.
So thank you so much, sir, for your valuable guidance and giving us our valuable time and sharing your wisdom and clarity with us, sir. So once again,
If anybody needs my number, then my number is 9822502969. 9822502969. I do free career counseling on telephone.
yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I will share it on description box as well. So thank you
Okay,
so much
thank
for your time, sir. And so we hope to continue learning with you. Thank you so much, sir.
you. Yes.
The
Bye.
session is
Bye.
ended. Thank you.